Hello, how are you? I hope you are very well. Welcome once again to this, your channel. I'm Lynette, the person behind this wonderful project that I call GretaWings. With this tutorial, we will continue making our Tinkerbell. And we will make her shoes. I already made one. It is very easy to do and super simple. If you are making this same shoe for another of our amigurumis, remember to use the yarn that I recommend or the one you want. For the Tinkerbell shoes, we will use 1 inch of synthetic leather, the same material that we used to make the pom-pom for the Christmas hats. We will also need a needle and sewing thread. So let's start. We will start round 1 making 4 chains. First 1 slip knot and then 4 chains. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And we will start in the second chain with 2 single crochet and later 1 triple increase. 1 and 2 here in the second chain, taking the back loop, the first single crochet in the next chain, 2 single crochet. Maybe you need to dial the first chain because there we will do in the second triple increase. Well, 1 triple increase in the last chain, 1 single crochet, 1 more in the same place, and 1 more. 3 single crochet together in the same place. And now we will repeat the same, 2 single crochet and 1 triple increase. But now on this side. 1 single crochet, 2 and 1 triple increase. One single crochet, 2 and 3 single crochet together in the same place. And we already finished this round with 10 points. Round 2. We will repeat 2 times, 2 single crochet and 3 increase, and we will finish this round with 16 points. One single crochet, 2 and now 3 increase. 1 increase, 2 and 3, and we will repeat the same one more time. 1 single crochet, 2 and now 3 increase, 1 increase, 2 and 3. Round 3. We will repeat 2 times, 2 single crochet and 6 increase, and we will finish with 28 points. 1 single crochet, 2 and now 6 increase, 1 increase, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we will repeat the same 2 single crochet and 6 increase one more time. Round 4. We will make 28 single crochet taking the back loops only. This is the back loop. 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, and we will continue doing single crochet taking the back loops only until the end of this round. Round 5 to 8, we will make 28 single crochet. 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, and we will continue doing single crochet until the end of this round and the same until round 8. Round 9. We will start with 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and now 6 decrease. 1 decrease, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And for the end we will make 14 single crochet. 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14, and we already finished this round with 22 points. Round 10. We will start with 10 slip stitch. 1 slip stitch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And for the end we will make 12 single crochet. 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And now you can cut the yarn and we will close using a wool needle. And you can see how I do it. We are finished one shoe. Remember that we need two exactly the same. Now we will make the pom-poms. And you can see how I do it is very easy. I'm already finished. Make sure to make them as similar as possible. Now we can attach them to our TinkerBell. And that's it. You can see the result. And so we have finished our TinkerBell. I hope you liked this tutorial, and if it's like that, please don't forget to give me a like and your comment. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. Also, if you have any questions, I answer you as soon as possible. And if you haven't yet part of this wonderful community, I invite you to subscribe and activate the bell so you receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Until next time, bye bye!